Hello everyone, welcome to the City of English. This is your friend Jack, and today we're going to talk about something very powerful. Not grammar, not difficult rules, but something simple. How to learn English every single day in your real life. Because let me tell you something, you don't need a classroom to learn English. You don't need expensive courses. What you really need is a simple system and daily practice. Think about this. You understand English, you read English, but when you try to speak, you stop. You feel nervous. You feel stuck. Why? Because you don't practice in real life. And today, I will show you how to fix this step by step. Part 1. Change your mindset. First thing first, if you want to speak English, you must change your thinking. Stop saying, I am weak in English. Start saying, I am learning English every day, because your mindset is your power. Even if you know only 10 words, you can make a sentence. For example, I go market. I eat rice. I watch TV. It's not perfect, but it's communication. And communication is the goal. Part 2. Speak with yourself. This is the easiest and most powerful method. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, it may feel funny at first, but trust me, it works. When you wake up, say, Good morning. I am waking up. I feel sleepy. I will start my day. When you go to the bathroom, I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold. I need to hurry. This is called real-life English practice. No book, no pressure, just your life. Part 3. Use your daily life. Everything around you is your English classroom. Look at your room. This is my bed. This is my phone. My room is small. My room is clean. Go to the kitchen. I am cooking. I am cutting vegetables. The food smells good. See? You don't need new topics. Your life is the topic. Part 4. Use your phone smartly. Your phone can be your best teacher or your biggest distraction. Change your phone language to English. Watch simple English videos. Listen to English conversations. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Your brain is learning. Part 5. Listening is the key. Before speaking, you must listen. Listen every day. Listen while walking. Listen while resting. Listen before sleeping. Simple sentences again and again, because your brain learns by repetition. Part 6. Repeat and shadow. This is a secret technique. Listen to a sentence, pause, repeat it. For example, audio, how are you doing today? You, how are you doing today? Again, again, again. This is called shadowing, and this will improve your pronunciation fast. Part 7. Use simple sentences. Don't try to speak big sentences. Start small. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I need water. Simple is powerful. Part 8. Practice with people, even online. If you have a friend, practice with them. If not, use online apps. Talk to strangers. Don't be afraid. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Part 9. Don't fear mistakes. This is very important. If you wait to be perfect, you will never speak. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Move forward. Even native speakers make mistakes, so relax. Just speak. Part 10. Daily habit system. Let's make a simple routine. Morning, speak 5 sentences. Afternoon, listen 10 minutes. Evening, practice speaking. Speak fast, not perfect. Most learners wait too much. They think, is my sentence correct? Is my grammar perfect? Stop that. Speak fast, even if it's not perfect, because speed builds confidence. Real-life daily sentences practice. Now, let's practice real-life English. Repeat after me. Morning routine. Good morning. I just woke up. I feel sleepy. I need to get up. I will brush my teeth. I am going to wash my face. I need to get ready. I am late today. Let's start the day. Eating time. I am hungry. Let's eat. The food looks good. This is very tasty. I like this food. I need more rice. Can you pass the water? I am full now. That was delicious. Going outside. I am going out. I need to go to the market. Let's go together. Wait for me. I am coming. It's very hot today. The weather is nice. I am feeling tired. Let's go back home. Using phone. I got a message. Let me check. I will call you later. Please text me. I am busy now. I will reply soon. My battery is low. I need to charge my phone. Night routine. I am tired. It was a long day. I will go to bed. Good night. See you tomorrow. Tip. Repeat each sentence 2 to 3 times. Speak with emotion. Shadowing practice. Advanced. Now, let's do shadowing. Listen and repeat quickly. I am trying to improve my English. I practice every day. I am getting better. I am not afraid of mistakes. I enjoy learning English. Again, faster. This is how fluency grows. Speak with emotion. Don't speak like a robot. Add feeling. Instead of saying, I am happy, say, I am so happy. Instead of, I am tired, say, I am really tired. Emotion makes your English natural. Many conversation practice. Let's try a simple conversation. Person A, hi, how are you? Person B, I am good. What about you? Person A, I am fine. What are you doing? Person B, I am just relaxing. Person A, that sounds nice. Practice this with a friend or alone. Speak without fear challenge. From today, challenge yourself. Speak English for 5 minutes every day, alone or with someone. No stopping, no fear, no thinking too much. Just speak. Daily practice plan. Let's upgrade your routine. Morning, 5 sentences. Afternoon, 10 minutes listening. Evening, speak 10 minutes. Night, repeat and shadowing. Just 30 to 40 minutes daily. Basic thinking sentences. I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. I need to improve myself. I need to improve myself. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. I am trying my best. I am trying my best. I will not give up. I will not give up. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am learning something new every day. I am learning something new every day. I am getting better day by day. I am getting better day by day. I am focused on my goal. I am focused on my goal. I will succeed one day. I will succeed one day. Daily life sentences. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. My room is a bit messy. My room is a bit messy. I need to organize my things. I need to organize my things. I am watching a video. I am watching a video. I am learning from this video. I am learning from this video. I am using my time wisely. I am using my time wisely. I am feeling relaxed now. I am feeling relaxed now. I am a little busy today. I am a little busy today. I will finish this work soon. I will finish this work soon. Let me take a short break. Let me take a short break. Talking to people. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What do you do? What do you do? Where are you from? Where are you from? Can you help me? Can you help me? I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That sounds great. That sounds great. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. Let me explain this. Let me explain this. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. Work/study sentences. I have a lot of work today. I have a lot of work today. I need to finish this task. I need to finish this task. Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting. I am working on a project. I am working on a project. I will complete it on time. I will complete it on time. I am learning new skills. I am learning new skills. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I am ready for the challenge. I am ready for the challenge. Let's do our best. Let's do our best. Long conversation practice. Real life. Booking a hotel. Hello, I would like to book a room. Sure, for how many days? For 2 nights. Single or double room? Single room, please. May I have your name? My name is Jack. Your room is ready. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. At a coffee shop. Hi, can I get a coffee? Sure, what kind of coffee? A cappuccino, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Your total is $5. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Fast speaking drill. Repeat fast. I am learning English every day. I am speaking with confidence. I am not afraid anymore. I enjoy this journey. I will become fluent. Again, faster. Powerful daily sentences advanced level. I am changing my life step by step. I am changing my life step by step. I am not afraid of challenges anymore. I am not afraid of challenges anymore. I am building my confidence every day. I am building my confidence every day. I believe in my journey. I believe in my journey. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I am stronger than before. I am stronger than before. I am becoming fluent slowly. I am becoming fluent slowly. I trust the process. I trust the process. I am improving my speaking skills. I am improving my speaking skills. I will never quit. I will never quit. Speak about your life. Now it's your turn. Talk about your life. Use simple English. Example: My name is Rahim. I live in Bangladesh. I am a student. I want to learn English. I practice every day. I watch videos. I speak alone. I am improving slowly. Now you try. Talk about your name, your daily life, your dream. Fluency drill. Repeat with me. I am speaking English more confidently now. I am not translating in my mind. I am thinking directly in English. I enjoy speaking every day. I feel proud of myself. Again, natural speed. 7-day challenge. I give you a challenge. For the next 7 days. Day 1, speak 5 minutes. Day 2, speak 7 minutes. Day 3, speak 10 minutes. Day 4, listen and repeat. Day 5, talk with someone. Day 6, record your voice. Day 7, speak confidently. No excuses, just action. Don't wait to be perfect. Start today. Speak today, because your future English depends on your daily practice. Heart emotional ending. One day, you will speak English fluently. One day, you will talk without fear. One day, you will inspire others. And that day starts today. If you believe in yourself, if you want to change your life, then start now. Like this video, comment your goal, share with your friends, and subscribe to the City of English. This is Jack, signing off. See you in the next journey. Keep learning, keep speaking, and never give up.